finally going E85. I'm on my way right now, so I'll catch you guys there in a minute. Alright, y'all, we made it. This fucking Mustang shit's sick. Mac 1. Sheesh. You guys from the IE, I for sure recommend Dynoless. So come through, hit him up on Instagram. Hell yeah, can't wait to see this tune aftermath. Alright, so he's currently doing this. Getting my old tune, it's like stock tune out my car, saving it to his files. Gonna do the new one right now. Alright guys, so this is the first time filling up on E85. Alright guys, so I just filled up on E85. You guys can see $47, not that bad, not bad at all compared to the regular gas prices. So right now I'm gonna go back to the shop so we could put it on the dyno, and yeah, we'll see from there how much it could make. Alright guys, so this is the first startup on the 85. See how it does. Not bad, sounds like normal, and we'll see how it does though on the pull right now. Alright guys, this is the first pull on the 85. Hopefully it don't slip since it is raining, so hopefully. Yeah, shit's slipping. Fuck it, I'll wait. Alright guys, it's fucking time to dyno it. Alright y'all, so right now he's getting it ready for the dyno. We'll see how much this is gonna push. Fuck. Alright, so it's now ready for the dyno. You guys can see right there. Woo! See how much this should be pushing. Let's fucking see.